Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today is, what is it? May 2nd, 2025. About 10:30 in the morning. Getting up near 80 degrees. And it's been dry. Let's see if there's anything out here worth looking at. I do recall one thing I spotted yesterday. I've got my first, looks like a turmeric shoot coming up. I've been waiting for that. The rest of this tower should start filling out pretty quick. Had a little bit of excitement for breakfast this morning. Everybody was here early, including Bullwinkle the squirrel. Some of the cats couldn't figure out what to do about it. Maybe I'll put a clip of that in here. Looks like we have a conflict here. We got Pally down here. He can't decide what to do because Bullwinkle is over there eating his food dish. Got Spooky over there and Snowflake in the middle. Rocky over here, and there's Licorice up there. He can't decide what to do either. Breakfast at the cat house. There's Licorice over there, and Pally over here. Still have sweet potato slips coming along. These are the ones that originally grew from seed. I'll be planting those out pretty soon before I head to Mom's. Strawberries are not doing real well. Only have a few of them surviving. Yeah, just a few. Oh, this Italian oregano up here is doing pretty good. Rosemary keeps on doing what rosemary does. The shishito peppers are not doing well at all. Like I said, it's been dry, and I'm running real low on rainwater to water these things with. So I don't know, I've pretty much given up on the rest of the garden this year. Not a lot out here. Both these pineapples are still producing. Tomatoes are just kind of hanging in there. And I'm mainly just waiting for the seed pods to ripen a little bit more on this cabbage collard. Once I get those seed pods harvested, I might just pack up and head north. Got comfrey over here. Few more sweet potato slips coming up in here. These would be the ones that I grew from the Beauregard sweet potatoes I got at the grocery store. Kale is just barely hanging on because it's just been too dry. I harvested most of the cabbage heads. The rest of them, the bugs are starting to get to pretty solid. And I did dig up the garlic the other day. Wasn't anything to write home about. Small cloves, but it still gave me enough garlic to last me a year or so. Back over here, the potatoes that I grew from seed potatoes. These ones are the Red Norlands, and all 5 of those came up. These ones are the Yukon Gold, and I thought this was the only one that was going to show up, but now I see there's a couple more just starting to sprout back there. The yellow onions have been pretty sporadic, and the red onions don't seem to be doing much of anything. Bell peppers, well, they're already out here drooping because it's starting to get hot out here. Oh, there's Snowflake coming to visit with me. Hi, Snowflake. Hi. Bug's been eating the cabbage collards a lot too. I might just cut them out before too long. Planted a bunch of beans in here, contender bush beans, but I don't see anything coming up yet. And the tomatoes, well, stink bugs took care of all the fruit that was growing on these, or just about all of it. There's one tomato left, and there's a stink bug on it. So I think I'm gonna take care of that guy right off the bat. There. The rest of these are not doing real well. More pineapples. My fig tree is starting to look nice. And the asparagus patch, this is where I've been using the water the most. Just trying to keep the asparagus alive. Got a bunch of little ones that I grew from seed this year, and they're still doing okay. As long as I have enough water to keep them going, I'm going to keep them going. And we're just waiting for the rainy season to start. Could be any day now, but it hasn't started yet. So we're just waiting. But that's about it. Not a whole lot to show in here. So I'm gonna pack it up and get back in the house where it's air conditioned. I'll see y'all next time.